Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with simplification. Remember, this topic is not covered in your book, but this is an important topic that we have to do. So please follow the video carefully and do your work very neatly in your copy. Alright, so let's begin with simplification. So when you talk about simplification, simplification means the order of operation. I had taught to you about this when we did simplification after subtraction. The order of operation. So when we say the order of operation, what does the term operation mean? I have already told you about operation. So when we say the word operation in mathematics, we are talking about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The four operations. Alright. So whenever you have two or more than two operations involved in a particular question, then we go for simplification. And for this, we follow the DMAS rule. DMAS. I hope you remember what is that DMAS rule. So when we say the DMAS rule, it means D for division, M. Come on, recollect what we had done. It is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So please do not forget the DMAS rule. It is very important when you solve your simplification. So we'll be taking up the first question in which multiplication is also involved. So let's start. So our first question, if you can see, we have the two operations involved and they are multiplication and subtraction. So I hope you remember the first step that I had taught, and the first step was write DMAS towards the right hand side of your question and start checking. Number one, do we have division here in the question? Can you see? Is division involved in the question? No, there is no division at all. So we will cancel D. Alright. Now M for multiplication. Do we have multiplication here? Of course. So underline the two numbers that need to be multiplied. Alright. So what is your answer here? First of all, put an equal to sign. Make an arrow. Then write down 8 2s are 16. 4 3s are 12. And then copy this minus sign as it is. Alright. Now multiplication is over. Now do we have addition in the question? No. So we are finally left with subtraction. So just underline whatever we are solving. We will be underlining so that we remember what we are doing. Subtract 16 minus 12. What's the answer, children? It is 4. Double underline and your work is over. Please follow each and every step carefully. It's very easy. You only have to do your work with little bit of concentration. Alright. I'll be taking up the second question, which will be little different. It will look like, it's quite big, but it's not so. So now, in the second question, you will see you have three operations involved. And which are those three operations? You can see a multiplication, subtraction as well as addition. So according to the rule, what are we supposed to write? First write down DMAS. DMAS. Alright. And start checking. Do we have division here in the question? No. Strike it off. Do we have multiplication in the question? Yes. So first of all, underline the numbers that need to be multiplied. Alright. Then what do? We make an arrow, we multiply, and then we write down the answer. We write an equal to sign first. 10 fives are 50. 12 sevens are, come on, what is the answer? 84. 9 eights are 72. Alright, then what is the next step? We just copy down these signs. Minus here and your plus here. Alright, so your multiplication is also over. Now children, if you remember, when we did simplification using addition and subtraction, I had told you, if minus and plus they all come together, you are supposed to arrange them. Arrange means what? Put all the plus together and all the minus together. And we always see the sign that is before the number, not after the number. Alright, so if I have to arrange this, remember this has no sign. It means it is plus. So we write plus. Now this number has a plus sign with this. So this will be taken after this. And minus 84 will come afterwards. So I have arranged my numbers. Now, what is the next operation that we have here? It is addition. So we are going to underline the numbers that need to be added. Make an arrow, put an equal to sign, add the numbers and write down the answer. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 7, how much? 12. And then copy down the rest of the things as it is. So our addition is also over. And the last thing that we have to do, it is subtraction. So underline this, make an arrow, subtract and then write down the answer. Alright. So how do we subtract? I had told you, if you are finding subtraction difficult this way, you can definitely do the rough work. Isn't it? So 122 minus 84. So 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. 11 minus 8 is how much? Come on. It is 3. So what answer did you get? 38. So this will be written here 38 and then we are going to double underline and our work is over. I hope I am clear to you, dear children. If you have any confusion, you are most welcome to ask. Let's take up the third type of question, and this will be the last question that I will be explaining. After that, you are supposed to do the questions on your own. So, what's the first step? We write D mass. Am I right? D mass. Do we have division in the question? No. So, we will strike it off. Do we have multiplication? Yes. So, underline the numbers that need to be multiplied. Make an arrow. Write down the answer. 84. Here we have 36 and then we copy down the rest of the things as it is. Plus 22 and the minus sign is copied down. Alright, next, what do we do? Our multiplication is also over. Next, you can see your subtraction and multiplication all mixed up. So what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to arrange them very nicely. Do not forget, you have to arrange them very nicely. So how do we arrange? Remember, we have to see the sign before the number. It is 102 plus 22. Now rest of the things will be copied down. Minus 84 and minus 36. Alright. Now, what is the next step? It is addition. So, we underline whatever we have to add up. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 1. Now, do you remember what I had told you? If 2 or more than 2 numbers, they have a minus sign, what do? We add them up. Do you remember that? We add them up. And what sign should we put before the number? Do not forget, we always put the negative sign, that is the minus sign. Alright? 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we got 120. So our addition is also over. What is the last thing? Last operation left? It is subtraction. Underline, make an arrow, put an equal to sign, and so easy now. 124 minus 120. So what's the answer? It is 4. Double underline and your work is over. I hope children you have understood. Please see the video at least twice so that your concept is clear and you are able to do your work without your parents' help. If you have any confusion, please do not hesitate to ask. Do not bother your parents for mathematics. I am always there for you. Thank you and have a nice day.